All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Drip Network, get 1% back, 365% of your initial investment, 1% every single day. All kinds of good stuff about cryptocurrency. Well, today we're going to be talking about crypto.com, CRO, C-R-O, or Cronos. What's going on with Cronos? They got a new coin they're listing, Ape Coin. So Ape Coin is a new coin that's listed. We're going to go to their Twitter account. Also, new NFT listings with the 76 basketball team. We're going to check that out. And also, Shiba Inu is getting a new list. This is the 100th list of Shiba Inus getting a list. And we're going to talk a little bit about Shiba Inu. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Now, with gas prices and food prices being off the chart, we're talking about how you need to have some type of crypto projects or crypto something that hits for you to offset these gas prices. All right, let's head over to Cronos. Over here at CoinMarketCap, Cronos is listed at number 18. It's up about 6% in the last 7 days, and it's up 2% today. It's trading at about 40 cents. We're going to go ahead and click it. Right now, it's up about 1.68%, 40 cents on the token for right this second. Taking a look in the last 24 hours, it's got some uptick of 2%. Looking at the last 7 days here, last 7 days, it's also up a pretty good amount, which is real nice. All right, so Cronos is doing real well. Going over here to the actual Twitter account, crypto.com. The best place to buy, sell, and pay with crypto. They talk about your 2003 LeBron James. He favors the brave. He's getting a little bit of advice to his younger self and what he should do. And you got to take all those shots. Here's that NFT I was talking about. Drop-in NFTs. The 76 Legacy 11 Cleaning the Glass NFT collection. Get yours here. It says the 11th 76 Legacy NFT collection. Honorable Charles Barkley. Career high at 25 rebounds. 3 collectibles starting at $300 USD. Redeem the merch and experience. All right, the 76 Sixers Legacy Cleaning the Glass. Barkley with his 25 rebound game. Fantastic. This is kind of neat. The VRA supercharged with the 10x booster bonus. 500,000 rewards are allocated. CRO to earn VRA and get 32%. Now, 88 participants will win a supercharged bonus NFT that will multiply the rewards by a 10x. You don't want to miss this, everybody. Starts on the 21st in a couple days. Right here, take a look, crypto.com. All right, over here at the website, Fortune favors the brave on crypto.com or Cronos. Says the world's fastest growing crypto app. Join more than 10 million users buying and selling 250 cryptocurrencies, all at true cost. Spend with your crypto.com Visa card and get 8% back. Grow your portfolio and receive 14.5% on crypto assets. You would do it right on your phone here. It would list your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, everything at a finger, right there at your fingertips. Buy crypto at true cost. All right, the only card you will need, you'll get up to 8% back on all the spending with your sleek, pure metal card. There's no annual fees. Top off your fiat or your crypto. Deposit crypto and earn rewards. Choose over 40 cryptocurrencies. Now, dig this, everybody. Up to 14.5% back on the PA on your crypto. Up to 14% back on your stable coins. Yep, trade with confidence on the world's fastest and most secure crypto exchange. Crypto.com, everybody. Liquidity, speed, and security. All right, so do me a favor. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't had a chance to get your Crypto.com card, you may want to go there and apply today. All kinds of bonuses and good things. And Crypto.com, Cronos, kind of not going anywhere. The Lakers, where they play, the used-to-be Staples Center, is now Crypto.com Arena. Signed a naming rights for 20 years. So, all right, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's head over and talk a little bit about Shiba Inu getting a new list, and then we're going to talk about cryptocurrency. All right, right here, the Bahrain Exchange confirms the list Shiba Inu could be the 100th platform to get Shiba on board. So Shiba's getting a new listing. The Middle East fastest growing crypto exchange Rain, confirmed exclusively to Watcher Guru, the platform that will list Shiba Inu soon. Rain reveals that Shiba is already loaded with back-end system and has not made trading available for the users yet. So it's already listed there, but you just can't trade it. As a spokesperson said, Shiba Inu has been listed on our platform. However, it is not a tradable coin as of yet. Our dedicated team is working on activating it today. So it says, let us show Rain Finance the power of the community, as they're asking if you should list Shiba. I think we can happen. It says when they were pressed for an exact time when they're going to release it, it says, unfortunately, there's no exact time frame when the trading will open for the Shiba Inu coin. Rain Exchange is available for trading, and the exchange has processed over $1.9 billion of transactions. And it says, who will be the 100th platform to list Shiba Inu? That's right, Rain managed to successfully list Shiba. It would be the 100th trading platform to actually get Shiba listed on board. Viva Money would be the 99th exchange to get the token on board last month. So this Shiba Inu getting listed as a top 100. Give us your thoughts in the bottom of what you think about that. I have a little thing for you. Let's not forget about Tectonic. Tectonic is actually being talked about more than Shiba Inu right now. It's getting tweeted more, and people are talking about more about Tectonic. Everybody's always looking for what the next Shiba Inu is. Well, I don't know what the next Shiba Inu is, but Tectonic is getting talked about a lot. All right, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're going to get back over to CRO and Cronos here in a second. Just wanted to kind of go over a cryptocurrency project. So today I wanted to talk about Splassive. We're going to be talking about this and doing a video on it. Splassive is actually paying 2%. The Splassive Tap is a low-risk, high-reward contract that operates similar to the yield certificate of deposit by paying out 2% daily return on investment up to 360%. Players can compound and extend their earnings through deposits, hydrating, and rewards through team-based referrals. So I put about 35 tokens into this. I got about $1,200 sitting there, and 2%. It's actually making me about $24 a day. The tap here. I'm gonna put my buddy link in the bottom when you need to take a look at that if you wanted to join this. This project's only been on for about a week right now. Over here, the well, kind of where you can buy your splash, where you can sell your splash. You got to do it on the AVIX network, so that's pretty interesting. The tap is where everything kind of works. Where you join the wave, you got to have a buddy list here. And again, I'll put my link in the bottom. They got the shore, and you also got the swap here. So again, just wanted to I'm showing different cryptocurrency projects in between here. Splassive, 2% back every single day for 180 days. All right, back at the website, crypto.com. DeFi made simple. The DeFi wallet, your keys, your crypto. DeFi earn, no lockup periods and stable returns. DeFi swap. Swap your DeFi coins and earn triple yield. Cryptocurrency in every wallet. That's what Crypto.com's they're trying to accomplish. And heading over here to the actual coin market cap. What's our price prediction? You know this coin was at 70 and 80 cents about 4 or 5 months ago. It's at 40 cents right now. I'm thinking this coin could get to 42 to 44 cents. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Do your own research, do your own homework. But a lot of people are going to the Lakers games. A lot of people are downloading the app. A lot of people are getting involved with Crypto.com, and a lot of people get involved with Cronos. All right, Shiba Inu gets listed for the 100th time. Shiba Inu, is it picking up traction or not? Tectonic gets talked about just as much as Shiba Inu, and people are looking for the next Shiba Inu. Check out Tectonic. You heard it from Frank's Crypto Corner. All our information is for educational purposes only. We're going to go ahead and click right here so you can see the Drip Network video. Get 1% back every single day, 365%. Click over here so you can learn about Splassive and check that out. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you a little bit later on today.